if Hey Baby was Hey 3 babies, they would have needed 9 guys to take care of them. That's just basic maths.
Yeah.
But that would have been chaotic. 9 guys managing 3 babies. You would have needed Akshay Kumar, Ritesh Deshmukh, Fardeen Khan. Plus, bring in 3 Khans, a couple of Kapoors, and maybe an influencer. Yeah, that's 9. That's a very expensive movie. Bollywood का दिवालिया निकलवाओगे तुम. Welcome to Baat Is Your Problem, where we, on a show-to-show basis, endeavor to stand up to news. Under the table तालियां. आपकी तालियां माइक पे नहीं थी, किसी को पता नहीं चल रहा. मैं ऐसे ही कर रहा हूं. उनको नहीं पता कि क्या हुआ है. There was no audio of your clapping, I think. We stand up to news. News होती है stand up के स्टाइल में प्रदान करते हैं. Let's प्रदान it for today. नई recommendation आई है इंडिया में. It's about having babies. The most populous country in the world is saying, have more babies. Every woman who can should have 3 babies. Now, of course, this must be a highly studied and a thought about suggestion from bade scientists and economists. Let me just find their name. Sorry, one sec. I'm sure ये कोई IIT और IIM वालों का ना कोई collab होगा इसमें. Let me see. Oh yeah, there's a name right there of an expert. RSS Chief Mohan Bhagwat. What? RSS Chief Mohan Bhagwat is telling women to have more babies. My own statement that I wrote and read myself surprised me so much that I had to do a comedy spit take. That's what it calls, spit take. But that's how surprising this news is. Have more babies, ladies. You're laughing at that? That's the news. Have more babies, ladies.
Looks like you are commanding these ladies.
No. We don't have the budget. No. Or the space or more chairs over here. No. I'm talking generally about ladies, and so Mr. Bhagwat is talking generally to the Indian ladies. ठीक है? पहले ही इंडिया में क्रिकेट के हाईएस्ट लेवल्स पे पहुंचना टफ है. कंपटीशन और बढ़ाए जा रहे हो तुम. डू वी इवन हैव इनफ आईपीएल टीम्स टू अकोमोडेट न्यू प्लेयर्स दैट आर गोइंग टू बी कमिंग अप? एज फार एज आई नो, पंजाब किंग्स से लेके चेन्नई किंग्स तक दे आर ऑल फुल. मैं गया था जी ट्राई आउट करने. मैं बताऊं अपनी दास्तान बताऊं आपको. मैंने कहा था सर मैं ट्राई आउट कर सकता हूं. एंड व्हेन दे स्टॉप्ड लाफिंग and doing comedy spit takes, they said no, we were laughing at something else. आर्टिकल में ना क्या लैंग्वेज यूज करते हैं ये मीडिया वाले. RSS chief's 3 baby push. That's not really who is pushing out the babies now, is it? Huh? I know that. I went to 7th standard biology class. और ये 3 का नंबर कहां से लाए हैं ये लोग हैं 3. Has this gentleman not heard of काम बिगाड़ा? That's what 3 does. नहीं economic policies और social improvements का क्या करना है? Just tell people, make more people. And by the way, by the who, how are we telling women things? Just things. Still, in 2025, this gentleman is bold. मेरे से better आदमी है ये. You know that whole Purush Mahapurush thing?
Okay.
That's the dynamic here. Okay. He is the Mahapurush is what I mean. He is asking millions of women to have 3 babies. मुझे अपने 3 friends को घर पे बुलाना हो तो मुझे अपनी वाइफ से 3 महीने पहले परमिशन लेनी पड़ती है. And the request for that NOC form, of course, filled out in triplicate. That is just for 3 friends of mine, all of whom, by the way, can change their own diapers. Well, 2 of them. One, I kind of help out sometimes with the powdering, Anyway, have 3 babies. And by the way, they keep changing the rules, right, on women, right? It all started with women, you can't work. you can't vote, और 2 कदम पीछे चलो, and what? You are 13 years old? अरे शादी कब करोगी?
Yeah.
ये rules थे, thanks to early man thinking. Then came हम दो हमारे दो.
Yep.
Then they thought of हम दोनों एक हमारा एक. Then Akshay Kumar thought of making this movie Hey Baby. Right. It was 3 men and 1 baby. By the way, if Hey Baby was Hey 3 babies, they would have needed 9 guys to take care of them. That's just basic maths.
Yeah.
But that would have been chaotic. 9 guys managing 3 babies. You would have needed Akshay Kumar, Ritesh Deshmukh, Fardeen Khan. Plus, bring in 3 Khans, a couple of Kapoors, and maybe an influencer. Yeah, that's 9. That's a very expensive movie. Bollywood ka Diwaliya nikalwaoge tum. Hey Baby was copied from a Hollywood movie called 3 Men and a Baby. Now the new thing is 3 babies and a man. How can you keep track? It's so confusing, even for me. And I'm a man. How will my wife understand this? She's only a woman. No comments on that, please. I was being sarcastic. And will someone ever think about the men? हैं? आदमियों का तो सोचो प्लीज. भाई 3 बच्चे, मतलब लाइक शाम को तीनों को खाना, खिलाना, नहलाना, धुलाना, होमवर्क कराना, सुलाना, ये सारे काम वाइफ ऑफिस से आके डेली कर रही है. तो दैट इज क्रिएटिंग नॉइज फॉर moi. मैच की कमेंट्री का तो कोई फायदा नहीं ना फिर. क्रिकेट इज यूजलेस इफ आई कैन नॉट हियर मिस्टर हर्षा भोगले. Why should I even pay for Hotstar then, huh? 3 babies are clearly gonna adversely affect men and crash the OTT platform economy all at once. By the way, have 3 babies. Won't this lead to now too many babies? हैं? I know they're cute and all, but still, अभी कह रहे हैं, जैसे अभी बातें क्या होती हैं? AI बहुत सारी jobs ले लेगा और humans के लिए jobs मिलना tough हो जाएगा. Now, if there are so many babies, will babies become the new AI? The new threat जो हमारी jobs लेने आ जाएगा? Then we will be forced to protest against babies. और opposition will have an agenda. They'll have a new angle, एक नया दुश्मन. आपने आज naukri.com पे लॉगिन किया आप सबने? हैं? सोचा कि मैं तो अच्छे स्कूल से पास आउट हुआ हूं. हैं? ये हार मारक दो यार. हैं? नहीं. आप अपनी फेवरेट कंपनीज की जॉब्स ढूंढ रहे हो आप सब, पर रिक्वायरमेंट्स में बार बार क्या दिख रहा है? Required must be 2 feet tall. Be able to stand without walker. हैं? And look over when the boss clicks the chutki. It's cute. But no. Oh, Navjat need not apply. No newborns, please. शुक्र है they have some standards, but still वो जो बेचारा वो graduate है, वो मैंने इतनी पढ़ाई क्यों की? Companies just wanna hire these cheaply available babies, and they will work for free because they don't understand the concept of money yet. That's a revelation to you. Oh, that's true. They don't. 500 का note is the same as a 5 का note for these tiny cute idiots.
उन्होंने तो फाड़ना ही है.
Yeah. All they need in their CTC, auntie, is कि भाई chusnis should be available in a variety of colors. Demands इतनी है इनकी बस. वो कंपनी इन्हीं को फेवर करेंगी ना फिर. And by the way, what does having 3 children automatically create? I know you'll say, oh, triple the amount of poopy-filled diapers. And you are right. The middle child. That's what this will create. Na chota na sabse bada, just perfect. Middle child. Huh? मैं सोच रहा था कि why do they want India to create so many middle children? 12th August. अभी हुआ था, National Middle Child Day था.
Oh.
Did Mr. Bhagwat see this in the Times of India, and that's what influenced his decision? Now, look at these very famous middle children. Bill Gates, middle child, smart guy. Mark Zuckerberg, middle child, smart guy. Amitabh Bachchan, who played Anthony in
Amar Akbar Anthony.
that one. Anthony was a middle child and a smart drunk guy. RSS wants an army of smart middle children. मैं ये सारे sentences एकदम clearly बोल पाता if I was a middle child, but no, I wasn't. Look at this dumbass standing right here. They want smart middle children. It was never about 3 children. It was never about these side 2 children. I can just take these down. Should I? I can just take these down. It was just about the middle.
Oh my God.
US के साथ दोस्ती जो टूट गई है, we will create our own genius billionaires. A couple will be drunks, but that's okay. We acceptable losses. पहले rules की बात कर रहे थे ना हम, but the rules keep changing. I suggest this. Maybe we can make an app that tells women how many babies to have when, right? According to the year, total population and job vacancies. हैं? Oh darling, app बता रहा है कि IT और banking sectors में 1.5 लाख vacancies हैं. We need to have 3.2 babies now. Oh, okay, fine. Sharma ji से पूछना उनकी बहू के कितने हैं? Maybe we can combine forces, combine our babies and then take an average. Oh, okay, darling. She has 4, we have 3, average 3.5.
Oh my God.
Oh, damn it, that's too many child. How many families do we need to make it 3.2 child? Yaar, itna maths. How do I calculate this? I wish I was a middle child.